What's going on with everybody today? It is yours truly, Cecilia's Way of Cooking, and today is going to be one of those days that I really don't feel up to cooking, so I thought I'd let y'all in and share my recipe on how I make. As you can see, the ingredients that are going to be displayed across the screen, I need you to pause it and take them down. Well, I could also put them in the description box. But I had seasoned the chicken ahead of time with the seasons that y'all seen in the beginning. I'm going to spray my pan down with olive oil. And I didn't want to put too much in there because I had already also sprayed some on the chicken after I seasoned it. And I'm going to proceed to put it in the hot skillet. You want to have your skillet on a medium to medium high heat. Don't have it high, but don't have it too low either. Because the last thing you want is undercooked chicken, and the last thing you want is overcooked chicken to where it's dry. And y'all, my chicken come out perfect. They come out juicy every time I cook it. I know what I'm doing, but let me not brag. Here I am right here proceeding to put the chicken in, and while the chicken is also going, y'all gonna see later on in the video that I'm gonna show the egg noodles that I also plan on cooking. And y'all, I made a decision to add chicken bouillon to my noodle water, and it was by far the best decision that I think I might have ever made. Now I know everybody's doing it already, but once again, you know, I'm trying new things that I see other people do, and I tend to add my own twist to it. Now normally I'll cut up some onion. I'll cut up some raw onion and cook it with the chicken while the chicken is cooking. But I really didn't feel up to it. Here I am flipping the chicken, and these are chicken tenders. Let me be specific. These are chicken tenders I'm using. You can use chicken breast or chicken thigh. Just have it to be boneless, skinless. That way it'll be more convenient on time in case you need to feed your kids, or in case you just need to feed your family or feed your significant other in general. No one wants to be in the kitchen all day while cooking. And so, look at that chicken, y'all. I did so good on the chicken. I'm proud of myself. And so, with what y'all see all of that at the bottom, that's fond. Well, I had to clean it out because I didn't want to take any chances on anything burning. Here I am proceeding to add the chicken bouillon into my noodle water. And y'all, these egg noodles take no more than 5 minutes to cook. And I'm gonna let y'all in on a secret that y'all gonna see in the video in a couple. So what I like to do is, when my noodles get done, I like to set aside some of my pasta water in case the sauce gets too thick, which y'all are gonna also see later on that I'm gonna make in the video. When the sauce gets too thick, I save some of the pasta water that I saved. I add it to the finished product when everything is just about done to readjust if I want it creamy or if I want it a little drier. Do it how you want. But y'all, here's me cutting up the chicken, and I also decided to save 2 pieces to put on top for presentation purposes. If it wasn't for me making a tutorial or do what I always do and make a thumbnail, I would have just cut it all up and threw it in there and ate it. Here I am making the Stroganoff sauce. This is the Stroganoff sauce. And fun fact, this is a Russian recipe. And I don't know. I seem to have gotten addicted to it. I don't know. It's weird, but yeah. Anywho, I'm making a Stroganoff sauce. So there's the sour cream. I'm putting the chicken bouillon in. I was going to leave it as chicken bouillon and sour cream, but knowing me, I got to be extra, even if I don't feel like cooking. Like, y'all know normally I throw down. Y'all know I love my Mrs. Dash. Here go my garlic powder. And I tried not to add paprika because obviously I added too much paprika on the chicken. But hey, it's more flavor. There's the pasta water. See, that's what I'm talking about. But it's better for me to start off with a little. I'd rather start off with a little than to put too much and then things come out a little too soupy. Because even with me draining the pasta, I still have a little pasta water left, even from me draining the pasta, right along with what y'all see right here in front of y'all. Here I am incorporating everything. So that's gonna be the sauce, y'all. It looked like a little, but trust me, it will distribute. It'll distribute. And another thing too about pasta that I like, it's starchy already, so there's no point in really making a roux. There's no point in making a roux because you have 2 thickeners as it is. Y'all, I'm putting the chicken in that y'all see me cut up. I had, I think, 5 pieces in total. I cut up 3 and saved 2. And I sped this up a little. This is self-explanatory. And then the pasta boil process, that was also self-explanatory. Y'all, this look like Alfredo sauce. I'm not gonna lie. But when somebody makes this for y'all, they're gonna assume that you making chicken Alfredo when in reality you not. Look at that, it look good already, and I ain't even incorporated it. I love the color scheme. I love everything about it. So here I am proceeding to mix up everything, and y'all know how much I love my parsley. I gotta have my parsley on there. Y'all, I don't know what I was thinking holding a pan like that when I had a whole handle that I could have been holding on to. But it's okay. It's all, it's all a part of cooking and whatnot. But yeah, there's everything. Y'all gonna see me add some of that pasta water that I had saved and put to the side. No, it's not lemonade. It is not lemonade, absolutely not. But with the pasta water, it'll help to thin and thicken it all at the same time. It's quite weird how starch from noodles work. There's the final presentation. I want to thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will talk to y'all later.